one of the proposal, and it is moral story. The theme of this particular uh, content is a drama entitled as The Proposal. And this content, this drama is written by Russian writer and dramatist, namely Anton Chekhov. Okay? Is actually there are two families, two wealthy families. These two families are there living in neighborhood. Okay, like Ivan Lomo, one of the family there, and one more, that is Stefan Jabuko. These are the two families, who family heads. Okay, they are living in a particular area there in Russia, in a particular district or state, we can say. They are living in a particular place and they are neighborhood. These two people are, they are actually the neighbors. Okay, this Stefan Choboko has one daughter, namely Natalia, that is 25 years old. Okay, this drama is actually based on these two families. Actually, this Ivan Lomo is just producing or providing is coming in contact with this Stefan Choboko and make a proposal for marriage. He actually, this Ivan Lomo actually just he connected affiliated this Stefan Choboko for marriage proposal. He wants to get his daughter for marriage. Okay, so these two families are they are wealthy. There is some kind of for example, when he is just going for marriage proposal to his neighbor, namely Stefan Choboko. These three characteristics are in the drama. They are actually, they are quarreling on small things. There are small issues are there. These characters, these families are just making quarrels and a kind of, the conflicts or some kind of issues are small issues that are not up to mark, that are not so serious, but they are making fighters each other on the basis of small issues that are obviously, as you know, there are families are there, but it's because of the economic status, because these two families are wealthy. It's because of that very particular particular thing that these two families get connected because of property. They want to just what I mean to say, extend their estate, and because of that they just connected each other. They just made the relationship. Okay, it's because of this was a kind of motivation. One motivation was there that was only just to enlarge, or what I mean to say, just to extend their estate, the property and other things. So because of the this wealthy kind of nature of these two families, they got assimilated, they got approached, and finally the marriage between the two families happens. Okay, before just getting the details or just putting the stress on the detailed perspective of this very particular drama, let me say there is one moral story or the theme behind this very particular drama. Look, dear students, there are always small issues. For example, when we talk of families, we talk of some kind of people just who are living with each other, or in a particular family, one family, two families, some relatives, there are some issues that are prevailing. Maybe there are some like small issues. It's because of that particular these small issues, the issues that are just because of that the people are fighting each other. The thing is that should not be taken just so serious, or that should be foregranted. But the people, there are some people who are just fighting, who are just making quarrels on the basis of these small issues that needs to be foregranted, or that should not be taken so serious. This drama is actually giving us a lesson, that a kind of tutelage, that the people who are just living in a family with having different relations based on whether it is of consanguineous relationship, whether it is of affinal relationship, okay, whether it is blood based relationship or friendship based relationship, the relationship should be brought out. Okay, you should have mature mind. Okay, everybody should have mature mind to face the relationship, or to have patience when people will just had a kind of patience to face each other, had a kind of just good mindset, has a major outlook, has good understanding, good comprehension. They should not just fight on small things like there are some small issues are just prevailing in the families, and it's becoming now these small issues are small things are creating such kind of havoc or such kind of dangers in the family that people are getting just families are getting broken. Okay, it's actually it's a problem. It's an abstruse. It's one of the curse that is happening in our societies, that is happening in our culture, that is happening all around here. It's actually in the cultures, in different societies, we are just observing these things. Because the families are just quarreling each other, they are just having the conflict, they are just having the rivals. I think it's small when we just go to the particular, what I mean to say, the pioneering cause of the particular fight, particular rival. Is sometimes there are some small issues that are becoming the cause to fight each other. Okay, so it's generally just to be away from these small things. Just try to be mature, try to approach people with your good understanding, with good comprehension. Try to be in good sense. Try to develop the kind of friendship, the kind of relationship that might be strong. That must be strong. Okay, that must be very. What I mean to say, it must be energetic. It must be good. It must be lovely, it must be affectionate, it must be having good kind of sense. So this drama is actually providing us a kind of, it's actually communicating a message that you people should not fight on small things. You people should not fight on the things that should be extracted from at the particular time. But on the small issues, the people are getting away from each other. They are just creating distances. Okay, families are creating distances. Some relationships are there. They are creating distance on small things like things that have not any purpose, or the things that are not so serious. That should be always these things extracted from your mind, from your mindset, from your perception, from your ideology. Because once in one time when you will just have good understanding, good mature understanding about the relationship, about any kind of friendship, about so many things, then these things don't matter in the course of time. So it's actually what I mean to say here, what I want to convey. For example, there are so many kind of relationships. If we talk about this drama is actually putting stress on the relationship like husband and wife. Okay. For example, husband and wife is the kind of relationship that is pivot, that has a pivotal role in the society. That has a pivotal role to make the family, to procreate the family, to nourish the families. Okay, it's very important relationship. If you had, all the relationships are essential, but this is basically the unit of families. This is basically the base of families. This is one of the things that is actually creating the families and nourishing the families, procreating the families, having the persistency of families. This kind of relationship should be pure, transparent. It should be out of stress. It should be with discipline. There should be a kind of understanding between the two people. There should be a kind of relationship that should be energetic, that should be strong. The small things should not matter there. For example, if for example I am a person, I and my wife, we should not fight on small things. You should not just make rivals on small things, conflicts on small things. You should have good understanding. We should have good understanding. When we have understanding, it's automatically creating good relationship, and the future of the family is very nice. It is going strong. It is going disciplined. It is going very what I mean to say is going with good strategy. Okay, but it depends upon your understanding. When you people have the patience, just on small things, you should bear the things. You should have the kind of patience not to fight, not to have conflicts, rivals on these pixie things that does not matter in the course of time. That does not have the base, or that does not have the strong connection to create fast in the society. Okay, so it is simply what I just want to call it this drama. As far as the content and this drama is concerned, it's actually giving us a message that everybody is essential. Every relationship is essential. Every relationship is essential. So these relationships should be taken serious. You should not just you should be so serious, disciplined. you should be so mature, you should live in particular norms, you should have good guidelines to just to face the relationship, live in the relationship, whether it is of two what I mean say, whether it is of marriage relationship, whether it is of parental relationship, whether it is of sibling relationship, whether it is of any type of relationship. Okay, so this relationship should be taken serious. You should not just try to create confusion, chase among the people, or you should not just create in your family the kind of chase that might be based on the things that are not so serious. Okay. So every person should be mature. You should develop the mature ideology, mature outlook, mature understanding. You should be so comprehensive. Your understanding should be so mature that everybody should praise about you, about your relationship, about your understanding, about your ideology, about your connection with family, about your affiliation with family. Your goal should be very strong. Okay, your term should be strong, it should be energetic, it should be mature. Okay, are you getting me? So it's not just to fight either on the fixing things like this thing is mine, that like that, the born qualities are there in children. They are just fighting for small things like this pen is mine, this remote is mine, this thing is mine, this toy is mine, this very. Actually, you should understand when children are there, the small kids are there, they are finding on the small things. Okay? This is the born quality, is actually natural quality of those kids because they are immature. Okay, idiots to some extent. But once you grow, you have mature ideas. Obviously, you are getting mature ideology, you have the mature comprehension. Why to fight on the small things? Why to just create confusion through these small things like children are getting? But one thing is there is one quality among the children that they are coming close to each other. When there is happening any kind of this problem is prevailing, but they are just reconnecting back within the passage of time. This is the quality that has been prevalent among these children. But as far as the young generation is concerned, the families are concerned, besides the mature outlook, is creating fast, it's creating confusion, and this should be extracted from your side, and this should be extracted from your families as well. Are you getting me? Any confusion? Are you serious? Who is serious among you? Who is serious? Are you sure you will maintain the decency of your relationship? Are you sure you will maintain the dignity of your relationship? Are you sure? So you should just every relationship should given worth. It should be appreciated. It should be given good. What I mean say respect, because everybody needs respect. As you know, respect the others, you will be respected. So everything should be resolved. Whether there are, obviously, it's the naturally that some things will prevail, some complications are there, small things are there that are preventing the family in the relationships. But that should be resolved and accumulated in the passage of time with your good understanding. Okay. Any confusion? So this drama is actually that is being written by this Anto Chico. He is just giving the message that this drama has the moral sense that every relationship matters, and you should not just fight each other or create conflicts or rivals on small things or small issues that are prevailing in their routine life. Okay. Any confusion? We will get the detail in the future. Just we'll see some other classes. We'll observe the detailed perspective of this very lesson, and inshallah we will just our doubts will be clear. Our doubts will be clear within the passage of time, and we'll go through the detailed perspective of this very drama. Okay. Thank you.